IJ software.
Hello everyone, so today we will discuss the second tutorial video using Kdenlive video editor. So today we will learn how to edit, how to delete, or how to change the speed of your video clip. Before we proceed to that, I just want to say thank you for those people who watch my previous video, and don't forget to subscribe in order for you to be updated in my tutorial videos. Okay, now so let's start on how to edit your video clips, audio clips, and adjust image speed, as well as the transition in sequence of your video project. Okay, so let's have first a file. So if you want to cut some parts of your video clip, you can just click on the upper part. So this white line is your indication in order for you which part of your video you wanted to cut. Okay, so I want it here. So just right click and cut. So this part, I don't want this to be included in my video project, so I will delete this one, delete this item, and this will be my second sequence of my video project. So that's how we edit your video or cut your videos. Okay, so we just added our background music in our video project panel. So now I want to start the background music here right after the first video clip, right here. Okay, so my background music is too long, so I want to cut this part of the background music so that it will align on my second video clip. So okay, same thing on what we did in our video clip. So just right click, then cut, then you can drag them and delete. So there you go. Let's try and play them.
IJ software.
Now we will discuss on how to change the speed of your video clip. So all you need to do is to click on the audio clip that you wanted to change the speed. So and then right click. So look for change speed, and then you can drag this button in order for you to change the speed of your video clip. So let's try and play this changes in our video project.
IJ software.
Right, so after we change the speed, it looks like more faster than the previous audio clip that we added from our project bin. So that's how we change the speed of our video clip. So how about for the audio clip? So only just click the audio that you wanted to change the speed and go to change speed. So you can do the same and just click OK. So there you go. So you already changed the speed of your audio. So let's hit the Ctrl Z to undo all the changes in our videos. Okay, now if you're done editing your video, how to save them? Right, so in order for you to save your video project, so please look for render. Just click this one, and then you will be able to see here the different format of your video. So normally I use MP4 as my format for my videos. So make sure that full project is clicked or checked and the parallel processing. Then you can click render to file or to save your project. So render, let's try. And then just click yes. So if you're going to click yes, there's a existing project. So I want to rename this one. So let's say 123. So you can just click on render to file. So wait until it finishes before you view your final project. So make sure to be familiar with the directory of your project where you save this project. So I save it to C user Jury Pajares videos /123.com. So I need to look for my video files in order for me to see the 123. Okay, so let's start. Let me see if okay, so I have here, this is my first project using Kdenlive video. In the next tutorial, we will discuss on how to use the effect composition stack, or how to add a transition in your video project. So you can explore them here. So we have alpha, transform, audio correction, color analysis and data, image adjustment. So that will be our next video tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video for you to be updated in our video tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.